How to fix crash on startup and random crashing on Wuthering Waves. Now, whenever you're trying to open up the Wuthering Waves game, it's crashing, and whenever you're playing also it's crashing randomly. Why is that this is happening? There are two operating systems, macOS and Windows. Especially if you're a Windows user, you're more prone to this issue. Now, if you're a Windows user, try to launch your Epic Games launcher and try to verify the integrity of the game. You'll find the verify button next to Wuthering Waves game over there. If you're a macOS user, there are a couple of things you can check. First of all, go to your App Store and check if the Wuthering Waves game has any sort of update available, and if it does, then just make sure to update the game to the latest version. Now, for both Windows and Mac users, try to check if you have got plenty of system storage left, because sometimes because you're running out of system storage, that could be the other reason why you're facing the issue. So just try to check if you have got empty storage left, and then only try to turn that feature on and just try to go ahead and then relaunch it. If it's not working, you can try to close the game completely, and if it's not working again, uninstall it and reinstall it, and that should help you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.